In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to order a bacon, egg, and cheese in New York. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to order a bacon, egg, and cheese in any part of New York. You will be able to do this primarily by using any of the available food delivery services. As you can see for this video, I'm gonna be showcasing Uber Eats, but you have other options such as DoorDash. You will have to sign up to use these food delivery services, and usually it is going to be done by including your email or phone number either on the website as I'm demonstrating here or through the latest version of the mobile app. You just have to include a valid email address or phone number and you will have some sort of confirmation either by SMS or by a code sent to your email. Afterwards, download the respective mobile app for Uber Eats or DoorDash or whatever food delivery service you are using, and the first thing that you have to do is set up your address. So you can use your current address, just enable the location permissions or type it out manually. Once you have selected the location, you are good to go. On DoorDash and Uber Eats, you will be able to browse through all of the nearby restaurants, deli chains, stores, and so on, and you can use the search function. You can literally just look for bacon, egg, and cheese here. So if I go ahead and I type this, we'll be able to look for places nearby that have this specific sandwich or dish. So a lot of recommendations are going to pop up and you can choose accordingly. The delivery fee is listed here, the time is listed here, and so on, and all of these are going to be available for you. Some of them are going to be closer to your location, while others might be a little bit far. So all that you have to do now is choose any of the sandwiches, bagels, whatever you wish to order, and add the items to your cart. To do this, tap on any of the options here, and then tap on the plus sign at the right side of any items listed. Afterwards, proceed to your cart, and you should see all of the items. So as you can see, I added one bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwich, one sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich, and some french fries. You can optionally ask for utensils, straws, and so on, and after everything has been added to your cart, you can proceed to checkout, get additional things, and choose from one of the many available payment methods. This is usually the same process for DoorDash and other food delivery services besides Uber Eats, but for this video, this is the one that I chose to showcase. I hope I was able to help you on how to order a bacon, egg, and cheese in New York. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.